So in today's video, we are going to do a junk journal cover. Yes, I am throwing myself into junk journaling, and guess what? I'm gonna wing it. So today I received this tremendously huge, as you can see, huge. Okay, this is my desk pad, and this is the size. This is little Jenny over here. This is the size of this tremendously huge Amazon envelope that I received for this just as huge book covers. Book corners. Okay, don't you hate it when they do that? So, instead of this nice size envelope winding up in the landfill, I thought, you know what? There are ladies who use packaging, especially Amazon packaging, to do their junk journals. So today, we are going to attempt at using this, and I love the sound of this Amazon packaging, Amazon envelope goodness, to make a junk journal cover. And like I stated earlier, we're just gonna wing it. Okay, I've watched enough junk journal videos to see how they go about in doing it. And although I'm not about to rip a bunch of things up or anything like that, because they in making junk journal covers, I've seen where the ladies do a lot of ripping, paper ripping and whatnot, and I'm not going to do that part, at least not just yet. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be practicing my sewing. I also got this very tiny, very dainty needle. Okay, to go with my, where did it go? Here we go. I got some waxed cord, 25 yards of wax cord at Hobby Lobby. Okay, so let's see if I can get this going. And I also got some beads if you want to see what else I got for my beaded stuff that I'll be putting in my store real soon. And I got more beaded stuff and more beaded stuff. But anyways, this is beside the point. Okay, that's for like some other time. Today we're going to focus on this junk journal cover that we're going to make out of this Amazon envelope packaging. So I hope that you enjoy the video. Give me a thumbs up for effort. Leave me a comment in the comment section below and share my video with your crafty friends, even if it is for a good old laugh. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video, and I'm going to add some music, and let's see how we do this. Enjoy the video.